It is a wonderful moment for me to project my candidature for the post of school captain of NRI Global Discovery School. I am Krishna Goswami, student of grade 12. I understand all the responsibilities that come with the position. I will truly care for the student body, try to become voice of everyone's opinion and concerns. Kindly vote for me. Thank you so much.
I am Ashma Sahu, student of grade 12th. I understand all the responsibilities that come with the position. I will truly care for the student and become everyone's voice and opinions. It is a wonderful moment for me to project my candidature for the post of school captain of NRI Global Discovery School. Kindly vote for me. Thank you so much. And I believe that leaders are not born, they are made. Thank you so much.
I am Adarsh Tiwari from grade 12. I am putting my candidature for the post of sports minister. I am an individual from sports background. I love sports and love to take responsibility to encourage the students to participate in all the games and sports and to create a healthy sporting environment for all. Kindly vote for me.
I am Ashma Sahu from grade 12th. I am putting my candidature for the post of sports minister. I am an individual from sports background and my sport is cricket. I love cricket. I love sports, all the sports, basketball and others. I love to take my responsibility to encourage the students to participate in all the games and sports to create a healthy sporting environment for all. Kindly vote for me.
Dream of holding the post in the student council of my school is an excitement to me. I know it is very challenging and I am ready to accept that challenge. My name is Khushi Sahu and I am from grade 11 of NRI Global Discovery School, the best school of the world. I believe that you all will vote for me and let me see my dreams with open eyes. Do vote for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sanjit Pandey and I am in grade 11th. It is a matter of great pride and privilege for me to fight in the election and win. I wish to handle the responsibility of vice captain of Centaurus House. I understand my responsibility and wish to work hard and to create a difference. Kindly vote for me.
Hello, my name is Nitish Sharma from grade 12. I am fighting election for the post of Phoenix House captain. I know you all love me and trust me, so please vote for me.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudra Pratap Singh. I study in grade 11. I wish to get your votes to hold the position of House Vice Captain of Phoenix House. Well, I am a hard-working and reliable student who is always come up with the creative ideas. Thank you and vote for me.
Hello everyone, my name is Soyas Markam. I study in grade 11. It is an honor to participate in the election for the student council and win for the position of vice captain of Orion House this year. I wish my house will be recognized the brightest house just like a Orion constellation. Kindly vote for me.
Hello everyone, my name is Arsh Singhor and I am from grade 12th. I wish to be selected as IT Minister of the Student Council. I am always interested in all the techno innovations and update my friends time to time with them. So kindly give your precious votes to me.
I am Shashank Patel from grade 12. I am studying in NRI Global Discovery School and it is the happiest moment for me to be selected as the house captain of Orion House. The name of my house tells a giant Greek hunter and my house is known for courage and bravery. And I am very happy to offer candidature for the post of house captain and I am looking forward for your valuable votes. So please vote for me.
My house is named after Centaur, who is a magical creature with head, torso and arm like human. The rest is the horse body. My house is all said to create magic with a high energy and its member. I am Amansha from grade 12, the candidate of the post of the captain of Centaurus House. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Dubey and I am from grade 12, the candidate for the post of captain of Centaurus House. I wish all your support to win. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Swastik Prema. I am a student of grade 12. I wish to become house captain of Santora's house. Please vote for me and let me win with maximum votes. Thank you.
My name is Devansh Chaudhary and I am studying in grade 10. It is an honor for me to participate in the election for Santora's house as house prefect. I believe that I am an ideal candidate for this position because I love to help others. Kindly give your precious votes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Devansing Thakur. I am studying in grade 10. It's an honor for me to participate in the election and win to become house prefect of Santora's house. I believe that I am an ideal candidate for this position because I love to help others and kindly give your precious vote for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sankalp Singh Baghel studying in grade 10 and I am a proud student of NRI GDC school. I am a candidate for Yellow House School Prefect and I love to help others and kindly vote for me. Thank you.
My name is Swahasi Jain. I am studying in grade 10. It's an honor for me to participate as Santora's house prefect. I work hard and I like to help people. Thank you. Vote for me.
My name is Nupur Malviya. I study in grade 10. I am selected as house prefect Andromeda House. I assure that I am able to communicate and connect with others in a better way. I can handle my responsibility in a proper way. Kindly vote for me. Thank you.
My name is Devansh Chaubey and I study in grade 10 and I am a proud student of NRI Global Discovery School Bhopal. I am the candidate for school prefect. I can ensure a very good response from my side. I am hardworking, studious and caring. Kindly vote for me.
Hello everyone, I am Sankalp Singh Baghel from grade 10 and I am a proud student of NRI GDC school Bhopal and I am the selected candidate for school prefect. Kindly vote for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Palak Mishra. I am student of grade 10th. It's an honor for me to participate in the election and win to become house prefect of Santora's house. I believe that I am an ideal candidate for this position. I love to help others. Thank you.
My name is Devansing Thakur. I study in grade 10th A. I am a proud student of NRI GDS Bhopal. I am the candidate for school prefect. I can ensure a very good response from my side. I am a hardworking student and caring. Kindly vote for me. Thank you.
My name is Vibhuti Sharma. I study in grade 10. For school prefect. With my experience and passion, I believe I could be a great leader and promise to do my best to curb bullying and increase student interest in school and increase overall achievement in academics. Thank you.
My name is Palak Mishra from grade 10th. I am a proud student of NRI Global Discovery School Bhopal. I am a candidate for school prefect. Please vote for me. I will help. Thank you.